Yo, what up, bafethu? Ufana we-TDL Low, Zuma the rapper, the lyrical Shandy Shandy. Yeah! Sisiphinde sabuya ne, uyazi-ke na bafethu.
Maqala lona bafethu. Mfana we-Ted Live.
Mfana omnyama ongaphashile lo bafethu oxhusa ngoma nakhe ezomisa umshadi kamala musi K Plus abathi abangazi bathi Cimangwe.
Igama uThabane elesibili ladengakala isibongo waqulu
Bafethu kuhamba kanjani igama lami Kwandokuhle Dlamini waselokishini.
Inkathi ngifika la ekhaya when the house party had moved to come here. Highlight yami mfethu is when I came with the car sisiqeda ukulanda abanye ade belanda. But so that was my biggest highlight. After I was walking at the scene now, so it made me happy again. Because I know that this also went because I was that was my biggest highlight.
Start. Kids, yo, benimhlupha la mjida. Showcase.
Beast tried to reach the phone ngalesikhathi esedakiwe. I think that's the biggest highlight for last year on 31.
khona special guest besisitholile besilapha eDamini sekuzongena uzawo eseshaya lezi shandisi lezi esezimuva.
Well, I'm sure mhlawumbe nonke niyibukile ivideo yami ixavunwa i-security yazawo yabo. It was the first performance of the year yabo. So I felt great about what we had our first performance from Taiwan and nani abasibonile ngijabulile ukuthi besikhona.
Not happy, told him before ngabatshela ngathi I'm not happy but ngikhala kakhulu as long as the job was done sibonga kakhulu labo.
Fire with fire, but then khona ama consequences enzekile yabo. What do I say? Fire.
So, I feel great because ngathini leya platform ibinkulu bro, about one of the biggest events show. I felt great even though bekunama technical error amancane but alungisiwe, performance yagrande. Yeah, I feel great about it.
Bese ngithola ngisho namantombazane asesemlilweni xakeka sebengale emva kwendlu. Hawu nawo abantu sebahamba indlela ehlukahlukene. Kumele ubone nawe ukuthi kumele ukhave isikhathi manje sekulate.
Under the dude. Yeah, I think he had a vibe. He was the best DJ on set. Yeah. I got bafethu abanye DJ I got ukuthi khona into ufundaze na bafethu. Shout out to Under the dude. Yeah.
Bani mjida beqoke ishandisi Kaizer Chiefs. Mfundo show. Inja kakhulu Mfundo. Sembu Mfundo.
Shout out to Mfundo the Edu bafethu sidansisile Mfundo the Edu. I think Mfundo the Edu for me.
Doing the street soccer tournaments again. Ted Life Foundation. We're doing a Culture Connect again. We're doing more music videos, more music, more vlogs, more content. Bafethu non-stop. TDL part okunye kulo nyaka. Just keep on subscribing, keep on being tapped in. But tapped in, bafethu now we OTG now, bafethu. They're also coming with a banger. TDL OTG.
Please subscribe, follow, comment. Bafethu TDL is anokuningi. OTG is anokuningi. Zakhala kwenyanga 2026 moving emotion edlule igagasi zakhala. Wavy yeah. Sebenza kakhulu ngoba sifuna isonke. Sure.
Oh yes, love.
Plus 120,000.
My niggas ain't knocking on doors no more. Sapiliza kudala besivimba. Us be taking their shots, we spinning their blocks up in the we ain't be copping no drip no more. Say culture connect till escape. TDL Records the name of the news with GNC's finger my simba. My niggas ain't knocking on doors no more. Sapiliza kudala besivimba. Us be taking their shots, we spinning their block back then we ain't be copping no drip no more. Say culture connect till escape. Niggas is
Ngiyacela ke manje shubile tupadi nini and oh my god my lord call me
it's our birthday
And we happy.
I'm not the birthday boy. I'm the birthday Banbani. I'm the birthday girl. And I'm happy. I'm happy.
Lalela ngane. Ubani owayothi uzophuza utshwala omngaka? Lalela, ubenu. Bonke.
Shout out.
Bonke.
It's about to Peter the Shandis. You're about to Peter the Shandis. This is a and it's coming close. What's it 2 days left? It's 1 day left.
Ubani obengabuya ngisele utshwala ngoDecember. Hey bo. Yazi nina, ubaba ngathi ngitshela ngoDecember nisengele, ayiboni. Enene nomusa nini.
Your bitch belong to TDL, motherfucker. Separamis. Your bitch belong to TDL, motherfucker. Separamis.
Yeah, got more ice than a non-pole. More absorbent than a time pad. More dense than a wolf pack. I don't wanna beach if she ain't bad. Deep voice like I'm Batman. More lines, more heartbreaks. Kill niggas in a comeback. If I put it back in a comeback. I'm on fire, getting stimulated. First the bullets, I'm the terminator. On this mission, you're the terminator. I got the flow, step in the flow like the Niagara. I put foundation on the floor like I'm the fucking builder. Niggas looking up to me like I'm the father figure. I pull up with my figure.
What's it? We the sad life.
Let me put you
On the picture, this group is full of fin that we could going hard in future.
asking for a future. We out here writing history and I know they only ways. My niggas is outdoor with the indoor, smoke a greenhouse, don't you get it? I'm finna reload over.
I'm tired. I must tell you, I'm very tired. I'm tired. I am, and I'm allowed to, by the way.
TDL Records, the name of the news for Jesus, feel I'm a scene. My niggas ain't knocking on doors no more, happy as a dollar is vim. Us be taking their shots, we spinning their blocks, up and I'm we ain't be copping no drip no more, say culture connected escape. TDL Records, the name of the news for Jesus, feel I'm a scene. My niggas ain't knocking on doors no more, happy as a dollar is vim. Us be taking their shots, we spinning their block, but then I'm
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
We ain't be copping no drip no more, say culture connects to the skip, but hey, niggas is stranded. Like that new leaf I be smoking while laughing. TDL massive. How can you niggas just take us for granted? We be the only niggas holding down the game and really going proactive. We be the only niggas really holding down the game and moving the masses. Bonke bayazi procedure, imnyango siketuli hinge. Danyuka nena ni maskip, danyuka nena ni kwi-feature. Culture connect escape, sivula kuvale ngathi sithini. Kucula imkhumbi mangidrip, kudala bezalma uzivimba. Udali ukhala ngemethu ufake i-order ufuna like fast crew. Hey, hey, hey. Standing on business for really emblem of being ngathi ngidala i-bar 2. Hey, hey, yeah. Udali ukhala ngemethu ufuna i-order ufaka like fast crew.
Hey. Let's go get the show, right? How about Patriots out of a really? Hey, DJ, Photo, this is like Philly, just like Philly. When I return those ones, DJ, don't call DJ, you don't got King Time DJ. 4 5 3, just like Philly, just like Philly. My time DJ, DJ. DJ, 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 DJ. I got shit. Come in this kid. I like it.
Yeah, standing on business for really. Emblem of being, I think that it's bad too. Yeah. TDL records and even the news with jeans, this thing I'ma see. My niggas ain't knocking on doors no more, so happy like that of his fame. Us be taking their shots, we spinning their blocks, so then I'm we ain't be copping no drip no more, so culture connect to the skate. TDL records the name of the news with jeans, this thing I'ma see. My niggas ain't knocking on doors no more, so happy like that of his fame. Us be taking their shots, we spinning their block, but then I'm we ain't be copping no drip no more, so culture connect to the skate.